Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me today on another review as we look at some Supreme, some Fear of God, some Jerry Lorenzo stuff. Well, Jerry Lorenzo sneakers. So let's get into these first actually. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that like button and then enter into the raffle. The raffle is in the description. You can see at 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking 3 lucky winners to get one of 3 different t-shirt designs, maybe more than that, but right now I just have 3. Let me show you. Here's the first one with an all over taco in the back. We have stripes. We have our second shirt. Actually, this is the first one I ever designed, just a single taco in the middle. And we've got like kind of a hint to 3 crosses, but whatever, I don't know. It'll be different for each shirt on that one. And then we have the wave, I don't know, the third shirt design, and just some cool colors on the back of that one. We've got the triple frame. People are very layered. There's so much to each individual. So yeah, got a couple of shirts. The winners will be able to pick the shirt they want in the size that they want. I'm gonna make it for you guys. That's with some t-shirt paint, totally washable like a regular t-shirt would be. So that's something you guys can definitely do once I hit 2,000 subscribers, or if I'm already at 2,000 subscribers, it means the raffle's over. Probably have a new one coming. So that is where we go there. Let's get into this next colorway of the Air Raid. First off, I got my receipt, and then we have this cream box. Where's my box for the other? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, so it's the same exact color, this orange pink color, and if I can get it out of here, it just barely fits. Got this from Exhibition from the Frenzy app. That Frenzy app is awesome, and I'm kind of glad that it let me get them, because I also tried in the sneakers app. That one I didn't get, even though like these were fairly easy to get, but that's neither here nor there. I got a pair and we're good to go. So I'll show you the box before I actually open them up. Got this tiny little signature up in the corner, just in that glossy text. It's kind of a cool little hint there I didn't really notice before. And then you've got your label. Always rocking the authentic, always. Label, I mean, people can, if you're worried about there being fakes, the label is one of the least of your worries. You really need to be worried more about the sneaker. Yeah, you don't want to ever buy fakes, because you're supporting child labor, you're supporting criminal activity, because it is illegal to, you know, be making fake shoes. So there's a lot of reasons not to. So anyways, not to say that some of these other brands that are legit aren't supporting child labor. I'm sure some of them do, but I'm not going to point any fingers because I have not done the research. Can't get this box to open up. Alright, we got it. Let's open up this first one. These are wrapped in this white paper and then a more cream industrial-ish paper, more or less. The shoe's actually wrapped in a second time, each individually, and man, these are clean. Oh my goodness, they're just super clean. Such buttery leather right off the bat. And I don't know, this air unit almost seems, well, I guess obviously it's not connected, but it seems a little less connected on this shoe. I don't know, this, like the seam is a little bit off or something on this particular pair. I don't know, that could just be me, because, you know, this is a hike shoe. Pretty excited about it. Let me open up the second one. Also wrapped, in this paper, this industrial paper is wrapped in that. You do get a second set of laces that are similar to the sole color, but not quite. They're really not quite the same color. We bring it over to this pair. They're pretty much that same color, so spare laces for each pair might be the same. I don't know. Last video that I did the light bone, I was saying that they were pretty easy to get on. My foot went in them pretty easily, and I was just getting lit up online about the fact that they are really hard to get on and that my description was just not quite right. But I think what was different with me is that I take the time to unlace every new pair of shoes that I get, and I just opened the shoe up, you know, all these laces like that, so that I could actually get my foot inside of the shoe. And I don't know, like everything that this shoe is built with just makes it easy for your foot to get in there once you loosen up the laces. So, I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm just a little crazy, but these were fairly easy for me to put on. But again, you did just see all the work that I just did to get them like ready. So they do take some time. I guess it just depends on each individual's preference. I think a shoe that I really want to get on my foot is fairly easy to get on my foot because I want to wear them. But overall, these shoes do take a little bit longer to put on than like an average sneaker, even though you really don't have to lace them because you have this, oh man, this is terrible because I forgot the name of this thing once before, this lace lock. It's just weird to call it a lace lock for me. Anyways, one thing I'm really getting off these shoes, first thing I notice when I pull them out is they do have a distinct smell to them. I guess some sort of factory smell, essentially, is basically what I'm getting from them. But yeah, so for sizing on these, make sure you do go true to size. In my opinion, they're gonna fit you nice. You could go a little smaller if you have to, if you want like really good lockdown for court play, outdoors or indoors or whatever you plan to do with these shoes. But true to size, honestly, is gonna be what I'm gonna say is your best bet. Doesn't seem like they really were created too oversized in my opinion. You can always lock them down. You got the straps to lock down even further. Toes, it's nice to have a little bit of wiggle room, but if you want it super tight on your toes, yeah, half size down, I guess, for people who can do that normally. So yeah, you've got full leather all the way. If we just going over materials real quick, you got leather all the way except for this mesh here. It's like some sort of scuba diving material, almost it feels like, but not quite. These straps, just elastic, you know, nice stuff. You got your Velcro parts on the straps so they can all match together. So you got Velcro there, and then these, you know, obviously. And then you got your midsole air unit in the back, nice and squishy air unit. Little Nike logo on the bottom there, some nice hints. And the color of this sole compared to the other one, you can see they're just different colors. They're like, this is way more yellow and burnt, and this is like almost completely white when you put it up next to it, even though it's not quite white, as you can see against the Supreme box. This is a little more cream. This is even darker. And this is really having some of the Off-White Air Presto vibes with the colors being like that. But I don't know if he's really going for that. Anyway, you look at it, I like it because I really like those Air Prestos. I had those for a little while, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these and let's throw them on feet. Alright, now without further ado, we're going to get into the week 12 Supreme item. At first, I was thinking about going after the pool cue, but then I decided I liked that trucker jacket more, so I tried that trucker jacket, and I could not get it. I tried, I really did, but I just didn't click fast enough, and I didn't get it. But I went back in, I got these shorts that I might actually wear. I keep getting Supreme shorts, and they're not that great, some of the ones I've gotten, so I've just sold them. After wearing them a little bit, you know, but not really liking them. I hope I like these ones, though. That would be ideal, but yeah, so. Whew. Supreme bag, cool deal. A couple of really messed up box logo stickers. Actually, I guess it's not that bad. It's just the one side that you don't even use anyways. And then, yeah, so that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of the bag. Comes in the Supreme Ziploc bag. Pretty cool standard Ziploc bag they always use for like a ton of their Supreme items. Like Ziploc bags are very common, and they have a pretty good feel to them, pretty sturdy, you know, not nothing cheap or whatnot. Not nothing cheap. All right, let's go ahead and look at the label on this real quick. Got the red box logo. We've got some warning messages, and we've got your label right there. And let's go ahead and take them out of here. Right off the bat, length, I don't know, they could be a little shorter, maybe a little slimmer, but I'll throw them on and we'll see what we think. We do have tissue paper in between. Before I put them on though, let me just go over any labels that are on here or tags or whatnot. You guys can see that one pretty well. There's like some plastic in here. In the manufacturing, they didn't take that all off. Weird. On the inside of the shorts, right by the fly, you do have the Supreme tag. So there it is, your Supreme tag. And it looks like that is it for tags. I put them inside out so you guys can see the pockets, how they're going. A little bit of an off-white color, or a cream, a very light cream color, and just standard, I guess. And then yeah, that's where that Supreme tag is, right there, you can tell. So I'm gonna adjust the camera a little bit, and then I'll throw these on, and you guys can tell me what you think. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, so here they are. Actually, they're pretty dope. They could be a little slimmer, but they're not too bad, pretty comfortable. They're not crazy thin or really thick. They're just like an intermediate, kind of strong feeling material. Another cool note is that you do have a little Supreme tag right on that back pocket, the button pocket. Oh, actually it's a snap. Yeah, it's a snap. So that's cool. And yeah. So tell me what you guys think. If you guys like these shorts, if you think they're not all that great, not hitting the spot, you know, not quite right, or if you think they're super fly, I do like them. Just have to wear them a little bit more. I was worried they were gonna be like too long or something, because I don't like awkwardly long shorts or whatnot. These ones are all right, although, you know, they're a little more baggy than the shorts I normally wear, but it's all good, right? So let me fix the camera a little bit. Now before I go, I do want to shoot some positivity at you guys. I want to read from the YouVersion Bible app that I downloaded on my phone, free Bible app. Galatians 6 verse 7, don't be misled. You cannot mock the justice of God. You will always harvest what you plant. This verse is basically telling us that, you know, if you're doing bad stuff and nobody knows about it, or you're being abusive to somebody and nobody is finding out about these things that are happening, or maybe you've been abused or bad things have happened to you and nobody's really done anything about it, just know that God is like watching everything we do, and nothing is going to go unpunished. Like everything that happened is going to have a consequence, either a good one or a bad one. So on this channel, I like to spread the idea of spreading some positivity, spreading joy to other people, love, encouragement, a helping hand, whatever we can do for our fellow human being, whoever that may be, that's in need, that we can potentially help. Let's go ahead and do that. It's just each of us taking responsibility for ourselves and going out of our way to be helpful to other people. So that's why I follow the way of Jesus, because it's just a way of peace It's a way of enemy love, loving people who don't love you, and just overall caring about others more than yourself. So, yeah, I love y'all. Thanks y'all for watching till the end of the video, and have an awesome weekend. I've got like one extra day off that I'm gonna have. So me and Abby are gonna go to some hot springs here in our state and just enjoy the day. Just have a good relaxation, because you know, you're not meant just to go all the time. You gotta take times for rest, take time for meditation, and just refocusing everything, you know. You just gotta do that, or else you might just go a little bit crazy, and I don't really want that to happen. So anyways, love y'all. See ya.